Today I'm going to go over the 5 lighting styles I use in my studio, and since I don't have a model today, I'm going to use myself. This is AJ Studio Pro. The first lighting style is flat lighting. That is when simply the light is placed directly in front of you and it's directly behind the camera. It's not really angled anyway, down or up. If you want to, you can always use a reflector to add more light. So as this is brought up, it lightens up my chin and my lower face, as you can see. Now I'm going to go into the next style of lighting, which is called butterfly lighting. In butterfly lighting, the light is still directly at you, but it's at an angle. It's angled upwards to mostly illuminate more shadows from your lower face. Most notably, the butterfly pattern that is usually seen when your nose has a lower shadow, as it does for me. Now, butterfly lighting is better than flat lighting in my opinion because it shows more of a 3D effect and it allows you to show the nice curvature of your face. The shadows illuminate that. When you have flat lighting, you kind of look like a 2D character. You want to try to show shadows and you want to try to show contrast to kind of put your best foot forward and show all the makings of your face. Loop lighting, which is one of my favorites, is when the light is above you, but it's about a 20 to 40 degree angle on either side, illuminating what you want to be your best side, but putting more shadow on one side than the other, thus again giving you a great contrast and giving you a great 3D effect. So as you can see here, there's more light on my left side. What you're looking at is the right side, then the other side, which is my right side. So it really brings out the contrast in my face and also brings out my chin on this side here. Kind of a little bit of a two-face effect. Rembrandt lighting, named after the famous artist, is when the light is above you, but at about a 45 to 60 degree angle from the subject. And usually the trademark of Rembrandt lighting is the clear triangle on the shadow side of your subject, delineating a nice kind of shape for your cheek, and usually can show the bone on the side that has more shadows in it. Split lighting, the ultimate conclusion of lighting with one light, is when you have the light at a 90 degree angle of your face. You kind of look like Two-Face from the Joker. Again, sometimes I use subtle flash or I use a reflector to bring in more light to the opposite side if I want a more artistic look. Again, this isn't usually used for headshots, but it kind of adds a freshly defined shadow, and again, most accentuates the chin out of all the lighting styles. I always say with guys, you want to, exaggerate the chin, kind of like Brad Pitt. That chin muscle is really good, and women, it's usually the eyes. You really want to make sure their eyes look beautiful in all their pictures. Thank you for watching, guys. You can reach me in the description below. Have a great day.